This is Mark with Right Line Trading. Excuse me, this is our evening newsletter. Just starting with this quick disclaimer, the whole signals of trading opportunities that we provide are for educational and demonstration purposes only. That we don't take responsibility for any profits or losses that may be incurred by subscribers. Everyone understands that trading is risky, that you can lose a substantial amount of money. And those of us here at Right Line Trading are not registered financial advisors, and we are not licensed commodity trading advisors. Now, today I wanted to go over with you a topic that is very rarely discussed. I want to show you my first trade. There was the entry. There was the first target, which makes it a winner. Runner actually made us some money as well. I think we made about 4 ticks or 5 ticks on the runner. That's trade number 1. Trade number 2, enter right here. There was the first target. Second target came up. We made nice money actually on the runner. We couldn't trade through this band of resistance, unfortunately. The market just cut right through it, but we cannot anticipate that. We have to stand aside. Now I have 2 trades and 2 winners. Trade number 3. There's the entry. There's the winner. And there's the out of the runner. This was a very nice trade. So we have 3 trades and we have 3 winners. Now our rule in trading is that if we look for our price target of 500 to 600 a day, or we take 3 trades and we stop. Of course, you always tend to feel that you're always going to get a winner at some point. You get a little heady. So what did I do? This is an unbelievably great trade. I'm not going to go into our trading methodology, but I took a 4th trade and it failed. And it really failed miserably. It took me out all the way down here. I was really slow on the Ninja Dome that we've created, and it provided us with a big loss. And so I should have stopped at 3 winners. If I would have taken the 3, we would have had a wonderful day. And I let greed get hold of me. I took a 4th and blew up the day. So what do I want to do? I want to make the money back. I take a 5th trade, and it's an enormous winner. And I'm back in the green, and I could have stopped right there. But nope, I'm going to make more money. So I take another trade. Right here, a stellar entry, and it fails. So it so unnerved me. Remember, we're all human, and although we try to trade dispassionately and with absolute clarity and not let our emotions get involved, I had spun us up through our first target twice, only to be greedy and try to surpass our target, and spun us all the way down, that I really got pissed at the market. And that's where I started incurring a much greater loss than we normally do, and probably one of my biggest losing days in a couple of years, actually. Now, this was a self-inflicted wound. I traded, hit my targets, made our first targets twice again, and I'm saying it again, and then let my account drop all the way down by pushing and pushing. Now, the NASDAQ is a very, very choppy instrument. The fact that we really have it beaten down, and the fact that we hit our first target twice, it is more than enough And then what I did was I let my emotions get the best of me, and I started losing my sense of discipline, and wound up spinning the day down to a significantly negative day. And I just want to warn traders: when you set when you set a target, which you must do on every trade, when you hit it, adhere to it. Don't go for that one more trade. The fourth trade I took was an absolutely perfect trade. Nothing should have gone wrong with it. Right here. Now, and the icing on the cake was what I lost here was more than made back here. But I still didn't stop. So part of trading discipline is to stop when you hit your targets and walk away from the markets. And number two, if you feel really rattled and you feel like, you know, you're getting angry at the markets, stop trading as well. Because once emotions take over, you start losing your discipline, and that's when you start accruing losses. So that's my word of advice. It's really incumbent upon us to remain totally calm, adhere to our trading methodology, our trading rules, and also to respect our profit target and our loss limit. Have a great evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.